Angry Bird, how do you like it whenever you come over to play with Sylvie? Well, I kinda don't, actually. I just act like I'm his friend so I don't hurt his feelings. Oh. Well, in that case, let's party! Because I just act like I'm his dad so I don't hurt his feelings. I actually adopted him. Nothing, Shelby. Nothing. You are not adopted. You are not. Okay?
How are you a person and I'm a Pokemon?
'Cause my wife is a pig.
What?
And a person mixed with an animal.
Sister?
A person mixed with an animal makes a Pokemon.
You got me before you had Mom.
No, I didn't. I had you.
By the way, can I have a sister?
Mommy.
Can I have a sister?
Actually, Selby, a sister is, I'll get it. Hey. You're here?
Angry Bird.
You're already here? I wasn't expecting Yins to come for another week.
You are coming home with us.
Wait, what? No! Please not. Please don't make me come home, brother.
And don't forget sister.
Yeah, sure. Maybe I could introduce Yins to my friends. Come on. Well, here's my friends. Oh, my God.
Hello, Luigi.
How do you know my name? How old are you?
15.
Great, I'm 17. Yeah. So, Angry Bird, you never told me your sister was a puppet. And you also never told me she was this hot. Yeah, well, I didn't think
Angry
you
Bird,
would.
We have to go now.
No, just hold on, please. Please hold on. Anyway, I thought you would be mad if I would have told you that she's a puppet. Well, she's a smoking hot puppet. I mean, come on. I don't know how you're a plushie, your brother's a plushie, and probably your mom and dad are plushies, and your sister, she's a puppet. A smoking hot puppet. Now, whenever you leave, tell her I said that.
Bird, we cannot wait any longer.
Hold on. I want to tell him something. When you leave, tell her I said that. Bye. Talk to you some other day. Bye, Selby.
I didn't know you liked me.
Bye, Selby. I'll see you, probably 3 months from now.
No. Wait, I want to stay.
I want you to stay, too. You're smoking hot. I love you.
Oh, my
God. Mario! Mario? Oh, well, I forgot. He's on vacation. So, does this mean we're staying? please?
Whatever. I just had to text Mom. She
Thanks.
said yes.
Thanks. Yes. So hold on, Luigi. Since you're like the, main character of the channel, can you please make my sister and my brother main characters? We can't have that many main characters. I'm sorry. I mean, I know your sister is smoking hot, but we can't have that many main characters.
Can I please be a main character?
We can't have that many. I would say yes, but we have enough already. Well, what if we didn't? What do you mean? You could take out me and Wilson. Wait, what? Yeah, just think about it. I mean, my brother is the host of American Idol, and my sister can replace me. I'll still be in main. I'll still be in main videos, like some videos, but just not a main character.
Luigi, when will you marry me?
Your sister's annoying, kinda now. Well, still, I think my siblings.
Marry me.
Alright, just shut up, sis. I still think my siblings deserve more. As the middle child, I thought I was the best, and I got everything I wanted, and they got nothing. So, please let them.
Luigi, can I play on your 3DS?
You know what, Angry Bird? You're telling me some pretty sad things right now. Fine. They can be main characters. Wilson! You're fired! So, hold on. You're actually doing this? Why wouldn't I? You're my son's best friend. What did I tell you in the beginning of this episode? Yeah, now I get it. But still.
Super Mario 3D Land!
Anyway, Luigi. Thanks.
Thank you!
And thank you for coming. Hot stuff. Anyway, can we make out after this video is over?
Let's do it in the video.
No. All Angry Bird? Come on. I guess you're... I mean, I've never said this to anyone. But... like, I never said this to one of the actual awesome main characters, but... you're fired. No. Angry Bird. No. Our only funny source left. The only bit of funniness we ever had on this channel.
Luigi, do you like
Fired. Come closer. I can't see in the dark. Do it again. Yeah. But Angry Bird.
Daddy? Why are you crying, and is she your new girlfriend?
I don't know. Just shut up, Celebi. Angry Bird's not your actual friend anymore.
He was never mine.
Yes, he was.
And you were never my dad.
Yes, I was. scared. You're the only
We're
bit
crying over my brother.
of funniness.
We're crying